1:03 بعد الظهر على الMTV.
أول محطة برانديفو اليوم مشاهدينا مخصصة لعيد العشاء، كيف ممكن نعزز علاقاتنا مع الحبيب أو الحبيبة. لاف جورو أميرة سيلون رح تعطينا نصايح وتوقعات وكمان تيبس ممكن نستفيد منها بهالمناسبة وعلى مدار السنة. هي موجودة معنا اليوم باستوديو خلال زيارتها على لبنان. أهلا وسهلا فيك أميرة. Welcome. It's our pleasure to have you.
Thank you, Rula. It's lovely to be here. Lovely to see you again. Pretty in pink.
Thank you, thank you. We love red on you, and it's perfect for the occasion. Valentine's Day is coming, and that's one of the reasons why we'd like to have you in our studios today. We take advantage of your many talents to take some tips, some advice of how we can maintain a wonderful relationship, especially on Valentine's Day. You are a love guru, Amira. You're from Australia. We met you about 2 years ago in our show, and we were talking about your cards. Love Oracle cards. Today we're going to talk about your other talents. You are a Feng Shui specialist. And you also have predictions for the year 2015.
Correct.
Where would you like to start?
I think we'll start with the predictions to start off with.
Okay.
2015, and when I do the predictions, I do them with the numerology. So you add up 2, 0, 1 and 5 and bring it down to one number, and that's an 8. So 8 this year for 2015 is all about balance. It's all about money, power. And for people who have done their inner work, they will find that their outer work and their outer life will balance the inner work that they have already done in the 2014, which was a 7, which is more about spirituality and consciousness.
عطتنا بعض التوقعات لعام 2015، توقعات عامة للجميع، ونحصل على رقم هالسنة اللي هو 8 من خلال جمع كل الأرقام برقم 2015. 2 زائد 1 زائد 5 بيصيروا 8، وهذا هو رقم هالسنة. ورقم 8 بدل على انه عام 2015 مليئة بالنجاح، مليئة بالسلطة، مليئة بالاستقرار المادي للجميع اجمالا. So it's about money, power and advancement financially.
Exactly. And the money markets worldwide and the property markets will actually be under a lot of flux. So there could be a lot of surprises with these markets worldwide. So it's really coming to a head. So all of the things that have happened over the last few years to do with financial markets will really come to their peak this year. So there could be a lot of unexpected things happening, similar to the stock market crashes, etc.
Okay, so there might be a slight imbalance on the financial level worldwide.
Yes.
يعني حالة العدم الاستقرار اللي صرنا سنوات عايشينها مش بس بلبنان إنما بالعالم كله معقول تستمر لفترة قصيرة وبالأخص خلال عام 2015. ولكن عامة هي السنة it's a good year though financially in general.
Yes, it's more stable for people who have done the work in interior work. They will find their life will balance out more. It's a very good year for career, property, real estate, etc. So it's good.
Amira, you travel the world and you do consultations for people from all different fields. It's not just personal matters, it's also business matters, as you've just told us.
Yes, exactly. I specialize in love and dating relationships, people who find marriage partners, but I also specialize in career, work and life purpose.
اوكي. بتتجول بكل العالم أميرة، ولكن هي عايشة حاليا بدبي. بتعطي استشارات لأشخاص من كل المجالات، ومش بس حول أمور شخصية وعلاقات حب وعاطفة، إنما كمان بالأمور العملية وبالبزنس ماترز كمان. أميرة, we want to take advantage of you being in Lebanon, and we spoke about some of your predictions for 2015. You're also a Feng Shui specialist.
Yes.
This is a Chinese.
Absolutely. I find that the feng shui and the numerology come together, and it's very good for manifesting things that you would like in your life. So it keeps the energy shifting in your house, it keeps your energy balanced, and it also brings in attraction. So one very fabulous thing to attract more love is actually wearing pink, and you're doing that today, so that's fantastic.
I'm attracting lovers from all around.
Lots of offers,
or just,
I'm sure.
Love energy from everybody.
I think love energy from everyone.
And what is the red doing that you're wearing?
The red is more about passion and drive, so it kind of can lift your energy. It's very good for blood circulation.
So you're more dangerous than I am today. Amira, Feng Shui, like we said, is a Chinese study.
Yes.
And we've heard a lot about it in the past years. And it works basically on how you place things in your house to get positive or negative energy out of them.
Exactly. And there's remedies that balance your energy and can manifest things. So this is what I like to focus on with manifesting love. So we can talk about a few tips and tricks to manifest more love into your life.
حسب خبرتها لأميرة بعلم الفeng shui اللي هو علم صيني بيعود لآلاف السنين، وضعية الأشياء اللي بداخل منزلنا ممكن تحدد إذا ممكن نطلع منها طاقة إيجابية أم طاقة سلبية. فبرأيها إذا عرفنا تماما وين نحط هالأشياء أو الأغراض ممكن هالشيء يخلي جو البيت يكون إيجابي أم سلبي. وراح تعطينا هلا بعض النصائح حول هالموضوع. Okay. Some tips around feng shui.
Okay, for love manifestation tips. Very simple one is 2 red candles, and you burn the red candles on a daily basis, so every day, or 2 pink candles. They can be light pink or hot pink candles. So that's a very good one. That's very simple.
Okay, not just on Valentine's Day.
No,
daily.
Every day. These tips are for the whole year.
Okay.
But because we like to focus on love for February.
So it's red or pink candles and always in pairs too.
In 2, yes.
شمع أحمر أو شمع زهر مشاهدينا ودايما يعني زوج منهم 2 مش وحدة. Okay.
And
what else?
for girls who would like to attract a marriage partner, put a replica ring, like an engagement ring, under the pillow of the pillow next to you, the empty pillow next to you. And also a replica marriage ring as well, or wedding band.
Meaning what? She wears one and places the other next to her? Or
no, she doesn't wear one. She just puts a replica one under the pillow next to her.
Okay. يعني الصبية أو الامرأة اللي حابة تتزوج أو ترتبط رسميا عليها تحط محبس تحت المخدة اللي جانبها بتاخد حتى يمكن تجذب هالطاقة الإيجابية اللي رح تسمع بهالشيء بالسنة القادمة. Okay.
And for women or ladies who would like to fall pregnant, the Chinese say to put peacock feathers above your bed. So it can be behind the bed or above, or it can be in the room, somewhere that you can put them above the bed.
Okay.
Would be good on the wall.
اللي حابة تنجب هالسنة بعام 2015 بتنصحكم أميرة أنه تحطوا ريش طاووس. peacock يعني طاووس شباب تحت. Where do they put it?
Above the bed, in the bedroom.
Okay, not under the pillow. فوق بالتخت هالريش طاووس فوق التخت بمكان، وإن شاء الله هالسنة بتكون سنة خير من ناحية الإنجاب لإلكم. Anything هيك مهضوم funny?
And another nice one is a little, if you have a bowl in the shape of a heart, or a glass bowl or a ceramic bowl, put some water in it and put a pearl in the bowl.
Okay, and this is also for pregnancy? For love. وإذا بدنا نجذب الحب على بيتنا نحط إذا عنا جاط صغير بشكل القلب إن كان إزاز أو سيراميك نعبيه مي ونحط بداخله لؤلؤة وهالشيء بيجذب أكيد أمور العاطفة والحب على منزلنا. Very nice.
I have many different types of tips and tricks for you, but one that I'd like to add before we move on to our next things is the actual rose quartz crystal. Rose quartz crystal will attract love into your life. You can either sleep with a piece of this under your pillow, you can put it in your pocket and wear it on your person, on your body, or you can put it in your love corner. Now, the love corner in your house is when you're walking into your house, it's the far right-hand corner diagonally opposite. So you're walking into your house, your door is behind you, your love corner is diagonally opposite to the right-hand side.
Okay.
So you can put your crystal, your love crystal rose.
نوضعه بالبيت rose quartz crystal, any size. We can carry it on us, or we could leave it in a certain place, love corner, in our house, and this will bring positive love energy to our house.
Exactly.
Behind the door?
The love corner is diagonally opposite when you're walking in the door, so at the very far end of the house, on the far corner.
أول ما ندخل على منزلنا نفتح الباب تماما بوجهنا بآخر نقطة بالبيت نحط هالحجر وبهالوضعيه ممكن يجذب لنا طاقه ايجابيه. قد ايه معنا وقت؟ يا ريت معنا كم دقيقه. We have 1 minute اميره to do the numerology.
1 minute now.
1 minute.
Okay,
Can we
let's
do
go.
something؟ كمان علم الارقام اللي هو من اختصاصها لاميره، رح تجمع الارقام حسب عيد ميلادكم. مثلا انا عيد ميلادي ب4 ايار، جمعنا 4 و5 اللي هو الشهر ونهار 9 plus 2015.
Yes.
We kept adding. جمعناهم كلهم سوا لوصلنا لرقم فردي بين ال1 وال9 and our number for both of us turned out to be 8.
8.
Okay. What are the predictions for
the predictions
these numbers?
for them? We'll start from number 1. Number 1, if your year number is a number 1, it's new starts, new beginnings, new projects. It can also be the birth of a baby.
Okay.
Number 2 is for the home, family, relationship and marriage.
Okay.
Number 3 is expansion, opportunities and travel and luck. Number 4 is consolidating plans, work, rewards and money. Number 5 is change, doing lots of fun, exciting things, new friends, new opportunities. Number 6 is marriage, love, harmony, beauty, art, decoration and children. Number 7 is meditation, spiritual growth, reflection and travel. Number 8 is career or work advancement, success, and it's good for property sales and real estate development in all areas.
News for us. Okay.
Renting, buying or selling, anything.
Okay.
And number 9 is coming full circles. It's about completion. So it's finishing everything that you've started. It's also eliminating anything that is no longer working in your life. Okay. So it's about decluttering, cleaning out the closet. Okay. Getting ready for your new start and your beginning for your 1 year, which will be the following one.
All right, we have another few minutes that they added for us, Amira. Okay. Let's go back just to, in detail, to tell our viewers how to add the numbers. Yeah. For example, like I said, my birthday is May 4th, so the month is 5 and the day is 4. So I add 4 and 5.
Is 9.
Plus the combined total of 2015 is
an 8.
So 9 and 8 is 17. 1 plus 7 is 8, and that's my final number. The number has to be between 1 and 9.
Exactly.
يعني جمعنا النهار اللي ولدتوا فيه بالشهر بالارقام المجموعه بين 2015 هن 8. يعني النهار اللي ولدتوا فيه والشهر اللي ولدتوا فيه زائد 8. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So in general it's a good year for everyone. Are there any numbers that are more positive than others?
The best number would probably be a 3 because it's a lucky number. It's about expansion.
Okay.
تطور. Yes. Number 6.
أو تقدم. رقم 3 اللي طلع له رقم 3 هي سنة حظ لإله.
Number 6 is very good for marriage and for love.
Okay. رقم 6 اللي طلع عنده رقم 6 للارتباط والزواج.
Number 8 is very good for career advancement and promotion.
اوكي 8 تقدم بالعمل والترقية أو التطور بهالمجال.
But every year is really what you make of it. So and it's good to do your feng shui manifestation as well as work with the numerology, and I can help people do that as well in their life.
They can do combinations.
Yes.
Okay, so you can use your background in Feng Shui to help them also with your predictions that you have through the numerology.
Exactly.
And also astrology.
Exactly.
Okay. Are you available in Lebanon, Amira, while you're here?
I do come to Lebanon. I am available for Feng Shui consultations, definitely. It's always good to go in person for the Feng Shui because you have to go into people's houses or offices.
Okay.
You can do it for an office or you can do it for a house.
So you could do it for single people or for in groups?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to take advantage of you being here to do a little bit of good stuff for us here. Thank you for being with us. A pleasure to see you again. Hope to see you when you're back in Lebanon again. And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's to you too, Rola. Thank you.
راح نتوقف هلا مشاهدينا مع تيستينج شيف جاد بالمطبخ بعد هالوقفة القصيرة وراح ندعي معنا صديقتنا أميرة. You'll join us for the tasting?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
يلا انطرونا.